Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we'll learn how to use Elementor icon widgets in your website and how to use it. So just to use the Elementor widgets, we are going to create a section. Inside the section, we are going to create 3 columns. And now I'll go to this option. I'll drag one element here. I'll drag second element here. And I'll drag third element here. For the first element, if you'll click on edit, you'll find icon, and inside that icon you can choose icon from the library. Let's say you want Facebook. Click on insert, and then we have option of view, default, stacked, and the frame. So just to teach you all these 3 settings, I'm going to create the Facebook in all the 3 options. I'll click on this. I'll choose this. I'll choose Facebook. Again, for this one, choose this. Right, Facebook. Yeah, of course, you can duplicate this also. Click on this, right click, and say duplicate, and you'll be like done. Now, once you click on this, you'll find default. I'll click on this. I'll choose as tagged. Once I'll click on this, I'll choose as frame. So these are the difference between the view. Next option we have is the shape. If you'll click on this, you'll not find shape. If you'll click on this, you'll find shapes. You want circle or the square. So you can choose between these 2. Next, if you want it to link to your pages, let's say I'll go to the facebook.com and my page is there, gomahamaya. I'll copy this and I'll paste here. Click on this and click on more option, and then open in a new tab and choose no follow. Why we should choose no follow? Because this is a third party website, and for third party website we should not add follow links. And next we have alignment. You can choose alignment based on the devices. Let's say on desktop I want it to be in the center, but when I choose tablet, I want it to be in the right side. For mobile also, I want it to be in the left side. Right? I hope you got this alignment. Now make it center, because center looks better for me now. Next I'll make it to desktop. If you'll click on this also, you'll find similar options, right? And next I'll click on this. I'll go to style. In the styles we have 2 options, normal and the icon hover. When you hover over this icon, it should change to some other color. And we have primary color, that is this color, and the secondary color, that is this filler color. For choosing the primary color for the Facebook, I'll go to google.com. I'll type Facebook logo, and there we got the Facebook logo. I'll click on color. I'll choose a color. I'll click on this. I'll fill the color. For secondary color, I want it to be white, straight white. It's looking like a Facebook logo, right? Next, we'll go back and we'll choose the shape as circle. Now it's looking like a Facebook logo. Next, we'll go back to style, and then here you can manage the style based on your devices. For each and every devices, you can match size of the icon. Next option we have is padding. You can maintain the padding. And next, if you want to rotate the logo, let's say you want Facebook to little tilt, you can rotate it like this. On mobile, tablet, and desktop, different rotation you can add on each and every devices. Now next option we have is border radius. To make the border radius, it should be a square, because in circle you cannot make a border radius. So you go to this one, choose shape as square, and next go to style, increase the border radius from all the angle. See, here you can see a Facebook logo is looking exactly how Facebook designed their logo. So they have a logo with a border radius of 45°. And next option, we are left with hover. So now if I hover, there is no change in the logo or the icon. So we are going to choose the primary color. When anyone hover over this, our primary color will be same as what we have now. We'll change primary color to white. Currently it's blue, but now when anyone hover, I'll make it white and secondary color to be blue, which we copied using our drag and drop page picker tool. Now if I'll hover over this, you can see it's only left with the middle part, that is blue, and the white part is changing to blue, and the outer part is becoming white. Next option, we have hover animation. You can use bounce. When anyone hover over this, it will bounce, it will rotate. You can choose vowel vertical. Now next option we have in the content that we missed is upload SVG. So SVG is a kind of vector images. You'll find free SVG icons from svgrepo.com. There you can search your icon which you want, or you can choose from the default. Let me go to this option and let me choose this one. I'll click on download SVG file. I'll go to this option. I'll click on add new section, a single section. I'll go to this. I'll drag and drop my icon. Next, I'll choose upload from SVG. Choose upload file, select the file, then insert media. Now you can see your file got uploaded. Here you have option of stacked and the frame. Once you choose stack frame, you will be assigned with two kinds of color, primary and secondary. If you'll choose default, there's only primary color you can choose, and this part is same as what I have explained you for the previous icon. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.